Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Verma and today I am going to present my project on volunteer registration and event management system. This project is designed to connect volunteers with events and organize efficiently using a web-based platform. The main goal of this system is to simplify the process of volunteers registration, event participation and management. It allows users to register, login, update profiles and join events while admin can manage events and track volunteers. This system improves coordination and ensures between communication between volunteers and organization. So I have used modern full stack technology to build this project. In frontend, I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript. In backend, I have used Node.js with Express.js. In database, I have used MongoDB. And for deployment, I have used Vercel. So in this system, there are mainly two types of users in the system, volunteers and admin. Volunteers can register account, log in, update profile, view event, and join event. In admin, create event, manage volunteers, and track participation. So if user first visit our website, they first need to register from here. So after clicking all this, I have already registered. If you want to organize event, you can select this option, organize event. If you want to register as a volunteer, you can select this option, volunteer. Okay, like I am registered here with the new. I am going to register as an organized event, create account. As you can see, the pop-up message has come. My account is already created. So if I want to create event, I am going to this option, create event, and create the event here. Like title, green community drive. I can give description like organize a community driven event where volunteers come together. So I can select the date on which date I want to organize this event. Like I'm selecting date 28. I can also have the time, starting time and ending time. You can choose for your choice. So I can set location also, like I'm setting location Phagwara, and how much volunteer I need in this event. So I'm selecting 10 event and create event. So as you can see, my event has been created successfully. So I'm going here on dashboard. Yeah, here you can see my event has created, green community driven, and no one is registered yet. This is the task of admin. So now I'm going to show how volunteers register and participate in the event. So I'm going to log out from here and again log in with new, again register as a new credential. I, anything you can put Gmail here and set your password for your choice. Now I'm going to register here as a volunteer. Now I'm going to create account. After successfully account created, so the event that I have created as a admin, that event is showing me here, browse event. So you can see here browse the event that I have created as an admin, Rishabh Verma, is showing here. This event is created for someone else, which is also showing here. So if I want to participate in this event, I can click here request. So as you can see, your request is pending admin configuration. So when a volunteer registers and logins, they can join an event, but their request is initially marked as pending in the system. And only after the admin reviews and approves it does the status change to approved, allowing them to officially participate in the event. After joining the event, the volunteer's request stays pending until the admin approves it. So again, I'm going to log in as a admin. So as you can see, I'm logging here as an admin. So I'm going to this option admin. You can see the volunteer who has registered in my event is showing here. So it is my choice. I am going to confirm this or reject this. If I am click on confirm button, that volunteer has registered in my event. Yeah, you can see confirmed is dynamically changed to 1 and open. So here the admin logs into the system, views all pending volunteers requests in the dashboard and approves them, which update their status from pending to approved, as you can see here. They can also see from this button how many volunteers has registered in this account and what is his name. So the admins review each pending request in the dashboard and updates its status to approved, giving final access to the volunteer for that event. So now you can see the working of volunteer and admin, how they can manage event, organize event, and how volunteers can participate in the event. Now in my project, so as you can see the working of as a volunteer and as an admin, how admin create the event and how volunteer has registered in this event. Now in my project, MongoDB is used as a NoSQL database to store all the data in the form of collection and documents. There are mainly three collections: users, event, and registration. This user collection stores details like name, email, password, and role, while the event collection stores information such as event title, description, data, and location. The most important part is the registration collection, which connects users and event by storing user ID and event ID along with the status field. So I am showing you. So I have connected my MongoDB here. So when a volunteer joins an event, a new registered document is created with the status set to pending, and data is stored in MongoDB. The admin can then update this same document, changing the status from pending to approved or rejected. And the MongoDB manages this relationship using reference instead of joins, allowing one user to participate in multiple events. So here I am showing the MongoDB database using my project. So this is the user collection where all users collection where all the user data is stored in the form of documents. Each document has a unique ID which is automatically generated by MongoDB to identify each user. Along with that, it stores important fields such as name, email, password, skill, role. So when the password is securely stored in the encrypted format, it also includes additional field like role, which defines whether the user is an admin or a volunteer, and array like skills and ability for future enhancement. Additionally, timestamps like created at, updated at are maintained to track when the user was created the last modified. This structured storage allows efficient data management and help the backend perform operations like login and authentication and role-based access control. So this clearly shows how MongoDB stores real-time application data in a flexible and scalable JSON-like format. So this is all about my project. So this is deployed and live here. You can check out from this link. Thank you.